little feet to get me across the mountain, too little feet to carry me away into the woods, too little feet like a mountain in the cloud coming down, cloud coming down, cloud coming down, cloud coming down. I hear the voice of the ancient ones chanting magic words from a different time. Well, there is no time, there is only this rain. There is no time, that's why I missed my plane. John Muir walked away into the mountains in his old overcoat, a crust of bread in his pocket. We have no knowledge, and so we have stuff, and stuff with no knowledge is never enough to get you there.
Mount Craig, second highest peak in the country. That's Mount Mitchell back there with all the development. Clouds have lifted from this morning. It's warmed up a little bit. Super breezy. Once you get to the back side of Mount Craig, you get a view of the entire ridge spreading all the way back to Celo Knob, which is that center peak hiding back there, kind of grayed out. Man, what a beautiful ragged ridge line. Amazing to have this in the southeast.
It just won't get you there. Culture exploded into knickknacks and memories, eagle and bear trinkets. I don't think it's good. Oh man, what am I trying to say? It's a messed up world, but I love it anyway. I love it. Little feet to get me across the city, my little hand to knock upon your door, my little thing for your little thing, big love to lift us up once more to the mountain. Lift us up, lift us up. Tumble us like scree, let us holler at our freedom like a wolf across a valley, like a kid lost in a game. No time, no name. Gonna miss that plane again. I'm gonna stay here with you, baby, and kiss you to a good dream. I'm gonna kiss you. I'm gonna kiss you. Kiss you like you like it. Kiss you like you like it. Kiss you like you like it. I got two little feet to get me across.
Had a good day one. Hike from Mitchell to this spot, which is Winter Star. Great name for a mountain. Super rugged hike. Was planning to hit Deep Gap at 4.5 miles. I think that's what most people do, but I know a bunch of bears come through there. I don't have a bear bag. I'm the only bait tonight. I think I'm the only one out here on the ridge.
Rain and wind. Storm came through last night, and this tent just about got blown down. I actually thought it was certainly going to happen, so I got up, put my rain gear on and my boots, and got all my gear ready to be stashed quickly. And man, thankfully the storm moved on and the stakes held. I didn't have it staked down very well.
This is the ridge at 6,000 feet today. Just a light rain, but no views, totally socked in. But man, it is gorgeous up here. I swear this country, you're better off wet and cold. This emerald forest just, it has a magical feeling.
Two little feet to get me across the mountain. Two little feet to carry me away into the woods. Two little feet, like a mountain in the cloud coming down, cloud coming down, cloud coming down, cloud coming down.
Short climb on the Crest Trail. Just as you're getting to Celo Knob, you come to this trail marker and you hang a right. It's a steep, not maintained trail. It's kind of braided, tricky in spots, especially when you're coming back down. Quarter-mile long, but it's the peak bagging trail up to Celo Knob, and you gotta hike it. It's so good up there.
John Muir walked away into the mountains in his old overcoat, a crust of bread in his pocket. We have no knowledge, and so we have stuff, and stuff with no knowledge is never enough to get you there. It just won't get you there. The culture exploded into knickknacks and memories. Eagle and bear trinkets, I don't think it's good. Oh man, what am I trying to say? It's a messed up world, but I love it anyway, I love it.
Look at what we have here on the parkway. Timber Rattler. Oh man, look at that.
Did you see that rattlesnake up there? God, that made my trip.
My little hand to knock upon your door. My little thing for your little thing. Big love to lift us up once more to the mountain.